As a builder, you know that if you could reduce your construction time, you'd be able to make more money. The cost of skilled laborers, if you can find them, and the price of wood products are spiraling out of control. But you still have to deliver on your promise of quality to your customers. The solution to this conventional construction dry-in time is 4 to 6 weeks and requires a crew of experienced carpenters. With Siplot to 2 to 3 days, and it's so simple to do that you can use a couple of lower-cost day laborers. That's right. A crew of 4 is all that's needed to assemble the shell of this 2-story home with a garage extension in just 3 days. SIPs actually are not a new concept. Homes were constructed using SIPs in the early 50s. But the time has come for a new generation of SIPs. Let's look at what goes into them. It's very simple, really. First, there's an expanded polystyrene core. This continuous core of rigid foam provides a high R value to every panel. Based on where the panel will be placed in the construction, the thickness of this core varies. Pound density EPS is sandwiched with industrial-grade adhesive between 2 skins of high-quality 032 aluminum to form a single solid panel. Controlled, even pressure during the curing process gives every panel rigid strength and insulating value that will not deteriorate over time. In the past, SIPs panels manufacturers used wood. The rising cost of wood and the environmental impact of lumbering are just a couple of reasons. What's more important is that metal has proven itself as a superior construction material. Strength and durability are a given. But there's the added benefit of termite and insect resistance, the cause of black mold, mildew, and bacteria. Withstand winds up to 140 miles per hour. The easy-to-move panels are no problem for your small crew to offload and stack in preparation for assembly. The panels for your job are prepared at the factory based on your design and floor plan. Site preparation is the same as conventional construction. Panels are placed in a metal channel that has been sealed and bolted to the foundation. The first corner is most critical, since ensuring that this panel is properly oriented and level both horizontally and vertically ensures the wall will not be out of plumb or cause a sawtooth top. Once leveled, each panel is secured to the channel with self-tapping screws. The simple process continues through each wall section, and very quickly the house starts to take shape. For your plans, some cutting is necessary for beveled corners and gable ends. Once marked with a Sharpie, just zip the aluminum skin with a power nipper, then use the cuts as a channel for slicing the foam with a wire. Openings for windows and doors that fall in natural panel locations can be framed in during assembly to reduce waste. But they can easily be cut after the walls are up, in any size window, archway, or door, anywhere on the wall. As wall sections are completed, the top channel is attached to make the entire wall more rigid. Sidewall channels are already angled to provide the proper attachment point for the roof. Once the perimeter walls have been erected, the central beam is assembled and lifted into place. Since the roof is self-supporting and requires no trusses, vaulted and cathedral ceilings are a natural enhancement to the interior space. The roof panels are strong enough to sit and walk on as soon as they're lifted into place. Simple self-tapping screws make the final attachment to the top channel and central beam permanent. As a builder, the time and cost savings continue to add up for you, because as you frame the structure, you also are insulating it. For the homeowner, it means increased energy efficiency, And unlike other insulation, the airtight foam core won't break down or sag over time. Metal floor joists with ready-made openings for the ductwork and utilities provide a strong and secure foundation for upstairs floors. Metal interior framework is now starting to complete the interior layout. The metal SIPs can be outfitted with electrical outlets for fixtures and then finished with wallboard, paneling, and any standard room finish. Any exterior finish can be applied to coordinate with the architectural style. Simple designs to high-end single-family homes. From the outside, it's impossible to tell that, but hidden deep inside is a durable, energy-efficient, solid structure built to outlast conventional construction and help pay for itself with a lifetime of energy savings.